Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology has joined the controversy which centers on the healing properties of the borehole discovered at Adomfe in the Ashanti region. There has been a debate between the Food and Drugs Authority and community leaders of Adomfe over the issue. The development led the Asante Akyem South District Assembly to ask the KNUST to conduct laboratory tests to ascertain the veracity of the matter.
Adomfe is a community in the Asante Akyem South District of Ashanti. Located about 5 miles from the main Kumasi-Accra highway, it has a population of about 3,000, with the indigenes predominantly farmers. The Adomfe community has about 10 boreholes from which the residents draw water for domestic use at 5 pesos a bucket. About 5 years ago, the government sank another borehole at one of its outskirts to ensure reliable water supply for the people. However, the inhabitants stopped drawing water from the borehole, saying it tasted differently from that of the other boreholes and the water was not suitable for washing since it did not lather easily. This prompted the chiefs to conduct investigations into why the water from the borehole was different from the others. It came to light that the actual water from the borehole is hard water. The chief of the town, Adomfe J, who had then been ill for about 2.5 years with stroke, sent for a gallon of the hard water. Adomfe J narrates his story and experience from using the water.
I could only go about in my house with a walking stick. So after the first water, 1 gallon, it was, I felt I was okay. So I asked for a second one. By the end of the second gallon, I had thrown away my walking stick.
Following the chief's claim and that of other inhabitants, the hard water at Adomfe gained popularity, attracting people from far and near to Adomfe. Mr. Emmanuel Sarkodie and Madam Dorcas Adomako are among those who have used the water. The borehole has currently been mechanized thanks to a donation of 2 water storage tanks by a Kumasi-based entrepreneur, Berry Mayao. Berry Mayao says the gesture was his own way of acknowledging the health benefits he had personally derived from drinking the water. Currently, the water is sold at 3 Ghana cedis per gallon to residents and 5 Ghana cedis to non-residents. This, according to the Akwam of Adomfe, Nana Edujemfi, has been the main source of revenue for developmental projects in Adomfe. The projects include roofing of a computer laboratory at the Adomfe DAJHS and repairing the roof of the local Roman Catholic Basic School. An abandoned community toilet project was completed and parts of the roads leading to Adomfe have been rehabilitated using revenue from the sale of the water. However, the Food and Drugs Authority has issued a disclaimer about the potency claim and even went ahead to make some arrests. The Ashanti Regional Head of the Foods and Drugs Authority, Mr. Vigil Edward Pra-Ishen, explained to GBC 24 what necessitated the authority's action.